Hi, Patric here. When it comes to making money, or I would say even marketing, sometimes all it takes is a change of mindset in order for you to start making money every single day. Now this is what I mean. Now, what if I'll tell you that money is slipping through your hands or your fingers or your keyboard or your computer every single day when you are not aware that the things that you can get right now that is worth money and you don't see them as money. Now I know it sounds kind of confusing, right? So let me just put it in another way. You can get likes for free, right? Like for instance, you could invite someone to like your fan page. You could participate in Facebook groups to promote your fan page and so on. But you see, because we don't see that as money, we did not do those actions because we are more focused about, hey, how can I make the money right now? Now, if you do advertise with Facebook, you will realize, you will notice that all these likes are not free and they cost money, right? So, on average, a like could cost you maybe 20 cents, 30 cents, or even $1, depending on what niche market, depending on how good are you at advertising to get your Facebook likes. So, if you are not getting them for free, it means that you have to pay for all those likes. Now, how about emails, right? You see, we treat emails for free because emails is free. But if you are to advertise on the internet, whether you're using Facebook ads, Google ads, and so on, all those emails are going to cost you money. And the fact is that if you advertise on the internet, an email address, an opt-in, an email subscriber could cost you maybe about $5. Now just think it this way. I want to teach you something else today. I want to share with you about how a shift of mindset, a paradigm shift, will actually help you to start making money right now, today. Because a lot of things that are not so-called seems as money at this moment of time, we are not focusing on those. So if let's say you're focusing on all the things that you can get for free right now, let me just cross the road right now, that you can get for free, like for instance, Facebook fans, Instagram followers, YouTube channel subscribers, email address. Now all of those, you could get it for free. But if you're not doing that right now, you're not getting all of those for free, it means that you need to pay to get those. And by paying that, it means it can cost you thousands. Sorry, I was a little bit distracted because I'm going to run across the road right now and there are vehicles everywhere. So I'm walking across the road right now. It's going to cost you money. And if that costs you money, guess what? You're not making money at all. So do not miss out all the hidden assets that you can start building right now. So if you just change your mindset and you think, hey, if a page like, Facebook page like, let's say it's gonna cost you say 25 cents. If you can get 10 likes today, you have just made $2.50. If you can get 100 likes, you have just made $25 today. If you can get 1,000 likes, you have just made $250 today, just like that. Do you see the difference when you have a change of your mindset, when you see things differently in terms of marketing and also making money? But you may be saying that, however, I don't understand social media yet. But what if you go and learn this skill? What if you just go to google.com and search about how to build fans, how to get likes? What if you just do that right now today? How to get Instagram followers? And if you do not have any, I'm planning over this right now. If you don't have any business, if you have that skill, that knowledge, how you can get likes, how you can get subscribers, how you can get followers, those worth money, because there will be companies, there will be individuals, there will be business owners who will pay you for that skill set. With that said, this is Patrick here. I've walked back to the place that I wanted to go. So I'm going to end the video for today. Take care. Bye.